Hi guys, long time no see. I know it has been a minute since I uploaded a video. I do apologize for my appearance. I just got off work a couple of hours ago doing my adulting stuff before I lay down. But I just got a package. This is the new Matchbox subscription. It is 5 beauty products, makeup products. This is through Karen Ann MUA. I will leave her channel down below. I know that this is a subscription box, but it's not a monthly one yet. I know it's $25 for 5 items. I did get a extra item, which is a blush highlighter duo thing. I really wanted the cake or the donut blushes, but they were sold out. There is a little shop also. Like I said, I will leave her channel down below. Do go over, check her out, and she can fill you in on everything that you need to know. But I just picked it up this morning, so I want to go ahead and open it with y'all. No peeking. I haven't opened it at all. So I thought that I would do that with y'all because, I don't know, Karen Ann is a great, great person. I have been a follower of hers for a while. I've also done some great collaborations with her. I've done some recreate my look from her. I did a Santa hat eye look a couple years ago. Anyway, it comes in this big, huge purple bag. And Chloe's having a fit to see what's in here. It is extremely well bubble wrapped. So, what is that, boo-boos? Okay, let's see. Alright, so crap ton of bubble wrap. Oh, and this is the subscription part, and this is the little extra that I ordered. So let's go ahead and look at that. Like I said, this is her first go around with the subscription boxes. I know I was number 56 when I ordered mine. I was super nervous that I was going to miss it, but I did not. Anyway, this is what that little compact looks like. Super cute. It's a more of a peachy blush than I thought. But either way, that is what it looks like. And it is by High Glow Romantic Beauty. It smells like powder. There is that highlighter, and there is that blush. It's kind of a coral, peachy blush. Either way, I will still use it. So, super excited about that. I believe that was $8, $6. Not badly priced at all. I know between the subscription box and my add-on, it was $36. So, like I said, everything is extremely bubble wrapped. And there is a palette. This is the Beauty Creations 35 Color Pro Eyeshadow Palette. 6 styles assorted. So, this is what it looks like on the outside. This is Beauty Creations Anna, however you want to say it. The front of the palette looks just like the outside cover. There is no mirror, but that is alright. I am standing in front of one, and that is what those colors look like. Super pretty. I like the pan size. They're not too big, not too small. So yeah, those are super, super pretty. I do want to swatch the yellow. Yellow, greens, and blues have been a thing of mine recently, so, uh-oh. Just knock y'all all around. Oh, yeah, she has pigment, so little powdery, but that's okay. Use your eye primer and you will be fine. Oh, I'm excited about that. Oh my goodness, and then I about drop it. Tiny living. We are getting ready to start tearing down the camper and rebuilding it. I am so excited. I know I've been just doing life, just getting back to myself and what that entails. I got 3 more items. There is no card to tell me how much these items are or anything like that. But for $25, this is what this looks like. It's a cute little bag zipper closure thing. Oh, and we have some kind of lippy. Y'all know I'm blind. I have my contacts on, but I've worked all night, so my eyes say no. That's a pretty color. Oh, I'm hoping this is the lip oil. I know she did spoil a couple of the items that were going to go in the box. Lip oil. That is what it looks like. Oh, it's got one of them plastic doodaddy things. If this is the lip oil that she featured on her channel, I'm so excited. And it smells good too. So, excited about that. Then we have MUA Set and Correct Loose Setting Powder. And it is in translucent. I'm not going to open the powder part yet because I just ordered the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass. I've been using the Flower Beauty powder and the Fenty Beauty butter powder. So, ooh, that is different. So, there is the powders, and there's 3 different colors. Your banana powder, translucent, and then a tinted, pigmented powder. I might have to jump into that and try that out. Alright, and then this is our last thing. And it is, oh, it's the blush that I wanted that they were sold out of. Super cute. Super, super cute. Okay, see, I can get down with that. So I got 3 new blushes. Well, probably 8 considering that palette too. Oh, see, that is so cute. And it's got a mirror on the back of it. I know Pacifica has a little compact like that. Okay, and there are those blushes. So we got, well, there's no names, so we got those colors. Oh, I'm so excited. So we have a rosy and a pink. Between those 3 blushes, I think I can work with something there. So excited. I am so very happy for her. It couldn't have happened to a better person. Karen is wonderful. Do go over, check out her channel. If you're interested in one of these boxes, I'm sure next month she will have it, but I'm sure that they go quickly, and with all the uploads of what people got in this month, I'm sure that they will go quicker than they did this month. So we got the blush, the tri-colored loose setting powder, the lip oil, a full-size eyeshadow palette. Where's that lip thing? I'm telling you guys, tiny living, I lose everything. I don't know. That is my brain shutting down for the night because I have worked all night. Okay, I don't know what I did with it. But we got the lipstick, this very pretty berry color with the lip oil, the powder, the blush, and the palette, 35 color palette for $25, and this little blush highlighter and in an add-on from her shop. So, Karen, you did great. I am so proud of you. Congratulations. I can't wait to see all the unboxings and see where your new business goes. Thank you guys for stopping by. I know it's been a minute, but you get what you get, and we're not going to throw a fit. So I love you. Thanks for watching. Very much appreciate it. If you like the video, do subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what's going on in your life. You got tea, you got drama, you got beef. Don't bring it here. But positive, great thoughts, always accepted down in the comments. Karen's channel will be in the description box down below. And until then, guys, mwah, bye. I found the lip thing. I stuck it back in the cute little bag. So, those were our 5 products. Do come back. Oh, look, it changed colors. Super cute. I'm not even going to put that on. All right, guys. Bye. Guys, there was a note. I had no idea. Let's go ahead and read it. Or see if I can read it to y'all. I guess it fell out when I pulled everything out. It says, thank you. Aww. Dear Becca, thank you so much for your order. Love and support. I appreciate your friendship so much. Enjoy, love, Karen. Thanks, Karen. I so enjoyed your subscription box. All makeup. I love the lip oil. I didn't even know it changed colors. I know I watched your video, but girl, I run on very minimum sleep. So I love it. Everything I got, I can't wait to try out. And thank you for the letter. That just makes it extra special. Okay, guys, for real. Bye.